Imagine waking up to a world where traditional classrooms have been replaced by artificial intelligence. A world where AI tutors are the norm, and the concept of a school building is as archaic as the horse and buggy. This may seem like a distant sci-fi movie plot, but the reality is, this future is closer than we think. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made tremendous strides in recent years, and its potential impact on education is vast. But the question remains, is this a good thing? And what are the potential benefits and drawbacks? On the one hand, AI could provide a personalized learning experience for every student. It can adapt to a student's learning style, pace, and interests, making education more engaging and effective. Education could become a truly bespoke experience, tailored to the individual needs of each student. AI could also provide constant feedback and assessment, allowing for real-time adjustments to a student's learning plan. This could result in a more efficient learning process, reducing the time it takes for a student to master a subject. Moreover, AI could potentially overcome some of the limitations of human teachers. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't have biases, and it can handle large amounts of data. This could lead to a more equitable education system, where every student has access to the same high-quality instruction. Imagine this: our 10-year-old protagonist, let's call him Liam, wakes up not to the shrill sound of an alarm clock, but to the gentle voice of his AI tutor, summarizing the day's learning plan, tailored specifically for him. The AI tutor, aware of Liam's interests and learning style, has prepared a series of interactive modules for the day. As he gets ready for the day, Liam listens to an AI-generated podcast explaining the basics of fractions, a concept he had been struggling with. The podcast presents the information in a way that aligns with Liam's preferred auditory learning style. After breakfast, Liam dives into a deep learning session. Using virtual reality, he is transported to ancient Egypt, where he learns about the pyramids, the pharaohs, and the Nile River. The AI tutor constantly assesses his comprehension, subtly adjusting the content based on his responses. Around midday, it's time for a break. The AI tutor suggests a series of physical activities, designed not just to get Liam moving, but also to reinforce what he has learned. As he plays, he's asked to build a miniature pyramid using blocks, reinforcing his understanding of shapes and structures. Once the break is over, Liam is back to learning. This time he's working on a science project. The AI tutor guides him through the process, providing real-time feedback and suggestions. As the day ends, the AI tutor assists Liam with his homework. It provides hints when he's stuck and praises him when he gets an answer right. Throughout the day, the AI tutor has been constantly assessing Liam's learning, adjusting the plan for the next day based on his progress. And so, a day in Liam's life in this AI utopia comes to an end. A day full of learning, tailored specifically for him, made possible by the power of artificial intelligence. Now, let's imagine a day in the life of a 16-year-old girl, let's call her Ava, in this AI utopia. Ava is a visual learner, and her AI tutor knows this well. She starts her day not with a jarring alarm, but with an AI-generated podcast on quantum physics, presented in a visual format that aligns with her preferred learning style. As she gets ready, Ava watches an animated video explaining complex quantum phenomena in a simplified, engaging manner. After breakfast, Ava's deep learning session begins. Using augmented reality, she steps into a virtual human body, exploring the intricacies of human anatomy from the inside out. The AI tutor, assessing her comprehension in real time, adjusts the pace and depth of the content based on her responses. Midday arrives, and it's time for a break. Ava engages in a series of physical activities designed to reinforce her learning. Today, she's challenged with a 3D puzzle of a human brain, allowing her to understand its structure in a hands-on way. After the break, Ava is back to learning. This time, she's working on a project on genetic mutations. The AI tutor guides her through the process, providing real-time feedback and suggestions. As the day draws to an end, the AI tutor assists Ava with her homework, providing hints when she's stuck and praises her when she gets an answer right. Throughout the day, the AI tutor has been dynamically assessing Ava's learning, adjusting the plan for the next day based on her progress. And so, a day in Ava's life in this AI utopia comes to an end. A day full of learning, tailored specifically for her, made possible by the power of artificial intelligence. As the sun sets on Ava's day, Let's take a moment to ponder on the long-term effects this AI utopia will have on society. The individualized learning approach fostered by artificial intelligence has the potential to transform not only the lives of students like Ava, but also the very fabric of our society. Firstly, the democratization of education is one of the most profound effects. Every student, irrespective of their socioeconomic background, will have access to a personalized AI tutor. This will level the playing field, providing every child with the opportunity to learn at their own pace and style. We're looking at a future where no student is left behind, creating a more equitable society. Secondly, AI will foster a culture of lifelong learning. As the AI makes learning more engaging, interactive, and accessible, it will no longer be confined to the four walls of a classroom or the years of formal education. People of all ages will be able to learn new skills or expand their knowledge in various fields, keeping pace with the ever-evolving world. Lastly, the advent of AI in education will revolutionize the job market. As AI education prepares students for future jobs, some of which may not even exist today, we can expect a workforce that is more adaptable, innovative, and equipped with the skills needed for the 21st century. These changes are not far off. With the rapid advancements in AI technology and its increasing integration into our education system, we can expect to see noticeable changes in the next decade. As we inch closer to this AI utopia, we are shaping a future where education is personalized, engaging, and accessible to all, a future where learning never stops.